This is Huawei MatePad Paper, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much random access memory you've got on this device. So that's a very simple and straightforward thing to do. First of all, you will need to launch settings by tapping at the cog icon. Then among the categories that the settings provide you with, you will need to scroll all the way down and enter the About tablet. And in here at its respective and separate RAM field, you'll be able to see how many gigabytes you have as per RAM on your device. In my case, that's 4. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.